It's creative time in my creative journal. Hello everybody, this is Priya here. Welcome back if you're returning, and thank you for stopping by. If this is the first time, I hope you like today's video and you would consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I'm not sure if I disclosed it to my social media platforms, but I intend to be a bit more creative than just making my to-do list pretty in 2024. So as part of that, I included a creative journal, which is the first time I'm doing that for this year. So for 2024, I hope to venture into areas that I have not done or explored before this, and I thought this would be a good excuse to sneak that in, and totally resonates with my word of the year, or one letter word. If you haven't checked out that video, I will link it here. I just went back to my roots and picked a word that truly would mean something, and it would definitely work towards quite a few goals I have in my life. So if you haven't, I will link the video here. Please check it out so that you will know exactly what I'm talking about. So if you saw my planner lineup, I had included this journal from Archer and Olive. This is an 8x8, and this was the A5. I find it a bit too small because I'm used to the big size. And again, if you are not sure what the sizes I'm talking about, I'm in the Happy Planner world. Big would be US letter size, so this is quite big. Compared to that, A5 is pretty small, and I feel congested in there, if you know what I mean. So this is the journal that I had picked up over the summer. This is one of those Archer and Olive journals. And if you saw my lineup, you see I showed you the spread, and again, this was the gratitude one I had made, and I had not taken the time to fill it up here, but this is what I had. What I thought was I had just made the gratitude pages, and that's it, and I will be filling that in soon. I have that draft ready fill in, because I feel, especially when I have taken so much time and effort to make this, I thought I should write it in properly rather than going and scoring it over the beautiful pages. So I had that draft written, so I'm ready to fill this in. And if you have not checked out this video, I have a plan with me for this, so please, you can check out this video as well, because I created a multiple pages in different these are called the Dutch doors, and I really love the process, so that's why I thought I will explore more in that aspect. And for today, I have this collection. This is the Butterfly Blizzard, and I did pick it up from Crafty Planner Queen Robin. I will link her here. And I saw one of the creative journal spreads from Amy. Amy Plans Things, I believe, is her handle. I will also tag her here. And I immediately knew that I need to include this in my journal for January. So I had picked this up in December, whenever this came out. I think it was December. I really love this because it's a different kind of because snow flurries and butterflies, you don't see them together. Two of my favorite components in one frame, so I had to pick it up. So I just printed these and cut them on my Cricut. I have these sheets ready, so that's what I'm using. And also these washi tapes. The intention here is I will create like a monthly memories, the highlights of the month kind of situation, so that I will have a space to write down the highlights or major memories. If something eventful happened, I will have that here. And also I will write my thoughts on the whole month as a whole, and how I felt about it and all the things that were happening. And these were the washi tapes I picked up. So these two are from Goat Girl Goodies. This, if I remember correctly, was from Deso, and these two are Planning Thing washi tapes. So I will link all the products below if I can find that. So for anything, you can definitely use my code Priya10. That's my affiliate code. If you decide to shop through those links or use my code, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So I would really appreciate your support. If you like my content, and you would like to support me, that's a great way to support your favorite content creators. That's a great way to support your content creators. So those are the washi tapes, and these are the Mildliners I picked. I cannot read the names because they're all in Japanese. Yeah, so these are the 3 ones. I thought these colors went well, so that's why I picked them. And I have the gyro cut and my necessary tools. I also have my cutting mat here so that I can cut around images or pages or anything that I am working with. I wanted this girl on the left side and this girl facing this way, but also that she will have to be at the bottom, I think, because I want, when I flip the page, when I turn the page, this girl's face should be visible to the other page also. So that's my kind of idea. And I don't have much of a thought after that, but we'll go from there and see how things progress and then take it from there. So I might have to fast forward some of the process because it might be a long one. So I will fast forward it if it is needed, because only once I finish will I know how long it took me. I can walk you through my thought process as and when I feel necessary. So I'm starting with this girl here. think I'm done with the decoration, and I really love how this turned out. I have left lots of room for writing, but at the same time I really love how this has turned out. So when we open, it looks like this, and then when we turn, we have this and we have this going on. So when you look from here, this is what you see, and when you flip the pages, you do see this, and when you turn the page, so this will be to write about the month, and this will be the space for all the highlights and the memories of the month. I'm keeping it simple. I mean, simple in the sense this would be what I would call simple. Just go ahead and, do we need it? I don't think so. Yeah, I think that's fine. I will draw some lines, and here I will come and write January, just so that we will know this is like the highlights of the month. I like to create different sections, so that's why I have multiple areas, and this is how it just turned out. I really like it. This is like a fun exploration of what I love to do and what I can do other than just decorating my to-do list. That's how I like to see it, because I will be doing a flip through of it at the end of the year. I hope to, and I hope to continue with this. This is just once a month, so I think which is very doable. So that's why I just decided to hop on and try something new this year. This 8x8 square journal, it does give me ample space to actually write after I'm done with the decoration, because otherwise I think there is very limited space with the A5. So yeah, this looks like a fun size for me. That's why I was keen on trying it out, and I really love it. So this is the end result, and I used the butterfly blizzard from Crafty Planner Queen, and I used pretty much the entire collection except for these. And there are days of the week which I did not intend to use, so I do not have it here to show. And just these 3 functional boxes and just these 2 girls. So I think I did a pretty good job using up the stickers and the washi tapes. These 2 are from Planning Thing, and this is from Daiso, and this is from Goat Girl Goodies. So I did not use this one. I'm not sure I want to now, because I just don't want it to overpower, and I like these colors for winter, and really liked how it turned out. Please check out my other Archer and Olive journal spreads that I had done in a creative way like this. So please check that out. I'll link that playlist here. So each one is different. The last one, the one in December I had done, was using Planny Thing stickers. So I will have I had done two, and I will link both of those here. And let me know if you like to try such things and go outside your comfort zone and try something new and do fun things and get creative. It's good for your brain, and the satisfaction you get from such things is immeasurable. So I would really urge you to try something new, get your creative juices flowing. I really like how this turned out. So here's a full flip. So this is how we begin, and this is just a good thoughts about the month and how I did and how I was feeling and all of that. And this would be the highlights of January. It was very shabby, I know that was very quick, but yeah, well, I'm not overthinking it, I'm just letting go. And I hope to continue on with this. It's just once a month, so it will be, I hope to do that one creative spread per month. I'm really loving this. The more I look at it, I'm really loving how it turned out. So when you flip, you do have all of these colors, and here it is just, I just alternated these colors and just kept the blue going here. So those would be different sections, if that can be sorted or grouped that way. I will let you know how it goes when I do the one in Feb, and also I will link all the products used, including my gyro cut and all the things. And please come hang out with me on Instagram, where I share spreads even if they don't get YouTube videos. So, and please share it with anybody who you think will benefit from this. And thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.